Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Cook Like a Japanese channel. I'm Ryo. Today we are making daikon white radish salad with canned tuna. You know, daikon white radish is one of the most popular ingredients in Japan. We sometimes simmer it, we sometimes pan fry it, but if it's fresh enough, I recommend you to eat it raw. Salad. You know, today's recipe is super simple, so easy to make, and the taste will be super yummy. Alright, let's get started! Well, the ingredients for daikon white radish salad with canned tuna are only 4. Number 1 is of course cut daikon. We don't need this big, 2 inches long will be enough. Ingredients number 2 is canned tuna. Number 3 is grated ginger, and this is a bit optional, but today I adding a wakame seaweed as well. Plus you need 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mentsuyu, 1 tablespoon of ponzu, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and a bit of chicken soup stock powder and a pinch of pepper for seasoning. We got 3 steps to make it. Step number 1 is to cut the daikon white radish into quarter slices and put them in a bowl and sprinkle some salt in it. Give it a nice mix and set aside for about 5 minutes. It's gonna remove the excess water from it. And soak the dried wakame seaweed for several minutes. Step number 2 is to wash the daikon white radish and pat dry the excess water with a paper towel. And do the same thing to the soaked wakame as well. Step number 3 is to put them all together in a bowl, add in the canned tuna and all the seasonings and give it a nice mix. Then it will be ready to go. Sounds super simple, doesn't it? Alright, why don't we go to step 1? Alright, step 1 is to prepare daikon white rice. I cleaned it with water and then peel the skin. Just check the KATSURAMUKI short video. It will be up here right here. But if you don't like to do this, you can use peeler. Don't move the knife, just move the daikon. Be careful not to cut your finger. That's it. Gather them. Yeah, like this. Just hold the knife and move the daikon. But please be careful. Okay, it's done. So cut it in half and into quarter size. Then you go like slice it into same thick. Yeah, do the same to this one. Yeah, after you cut it, prepare a bowl. Yeah, in a bowl like this, put the daikon into the bowl. Then sprinkle some salt on it. Then give it a mix. Right, set it aside for 5 minutes. Right, next thing you do is salt-dried wakame seaweed, about 3 grams. Yeah, it would be nice. And set it aside. I recommend you to make seasonings during this 5 minutes. You know, the first thing is ginger. Peel the skin with a spoon. Yeah, and grate it. Tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of ponzu, 1 tablespoon of mentsuyu, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, plus a bit of chicken soup stock powder and a bit of pepper. Alright, now the seasoning is ready. Why don't we go on to step 2? Alright, why don't we go to step 2? Step 2 is to wash the cut daikon. And with the wakame seaweed. take this paper towel like this. Yeah, I need one more paper towel. Yeah, okay. Remove the excess water. Okay, I believe it's removed. So I need another bowl like this. I'm gonna do the same to the wakame seaweed. Remove the excess water from it and then again. Okay, looks great. Okay, right away going to step 3. Okay, now it's time to go to step 3. Step 3 is to add in the canned tuna. Just put everything inside into the bowl and all the seasonings here. So right away add in everything. Yeah, and mix it. Give a nice mix to it. Yeah, it looks awesome. Wow, looks great. Right away plate it. Alright, it's time to plate the daikon white radish with canned tuna. Yeah, it looks nice. Awesome. Wow. You can keep the leftovers in the fridge for 2-3 days. So for tonight, this is it. Yeah, now the daikon white radish with canned tuna is ready to go. Looks awesome, isn't it? Alright, thank you for watching. Now you know to make daikon white radish salad with canned tuna is super easy. So why don't you give it a try at your home? If you like this video, put thumbs up button, leave some messages down below and subscribe. Thanks for watching again and take good care and see you in the next video. Arigato, bye!